The best Blooket hacks for school computers. I'm going to tell you the best Blooket hacks for school computers. First, learn the mode. Tower is equal to speed. Factory is equal to resource juggling. Quiz modes is equal to accuracy. Spend 5 to 10 minutes in a private game so you don't panic in front of your class. Make study sets that copy your notes word for word so answers become muscle memory. Trust me, it works. Practice fast scanning, read the question, knock out one obvious wrong answer, then lock it in. Hesitation loses rounds. Use tabs and enter like your life depends on it. Close extra tabs, mute notifications, and keep mouse movement minimal. If you can team up, split roles, one person mashes speed, the other handles the curveballs. And finally, make sets your teacher actually likes so you get legit practice in class. Climb the leaderboard, keep your suspension record clean, and have fun.